Consumer cellular flip phones, like the Alcatel Go Flip 4 or older ZTE models, can often be fixed with a reset. There are two main types: soft resets and factory resets. A soft reset, or power cycle, is like restarting your computer. It clears temporary memory and can fix minor issues like freezing or unresponsiveness. Simply power off the phone, remove the battery if possible for 30 seconds, and then restart. This doesn't erase your data. A factory reset, on the other hand, is like reformatting your computer. It restores the phone to its original factory settings, erasing all your personal data, apps, and settings. This is for more serious problems like software corruption. Always back up your contacts and other important data before performing a factory reset, as this cannot be undone. If a soft reset doesn't solve the problem, a factory reset might be necessary. The process is generally the same across consumer cellular flip phone models, but always refer to your specific model's manual. Typically, you navigate to Settings, then Phone Settings, and finally, Restore Factory Settings. You'll be prompted to enter a code, often 000000 or 123456. This code can be model dependent, and older phones may require a SIM card PIN. After confirming, the phone will erase all data and restart. Once completed, your phone will be back to its original state. If you are still having issues with the phone, contact Consumer Cellular support at 1-800-686-446.